cards.
I wasn't talking to you, mate.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come,
and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today we are doing a cozy, comfy, Christmassy, aka the best, B&M haul. I actually went into B&M for the first time in a long time, aka like a whole 3 weeks. And I purchased a few bits that I really wanted to show you because I know you're really going to appreciate it, and they're very Christmassy and it's really getting me into the Christmas spirit. I hope you're enjoying my Christmas content so far. I just had so much fun like creating such Christmassy content, and I hope you're enjoying it. Let me know if you are. Today is just basically a cozy, sit down, chill out, feel a bit festive, get some shopping inspiration, B&M haul. That's about it, so we'll just jump straight into it. Just before I begin, if you are new to the channel, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos on this channel every single week, on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, all about living your best life on a budget. We specifically talk about home, cleaning and food on this channel, so if you like that kind of thing, then make sure you are subscribed. Grab your cup of teas in your cozy festive mugs. It's got to be a festive mug, and let's go. I'm going to start with like the cleaning type things that I purchased from B&M. I feel like B&M, out of all of like the kind of affordable stores that I do go to, has the best cleaning aisle. They have so much going on in that aisle. They always have like the most current and up-to-date things in the cleaning aisle, so I always manage to buy a bit too much there. I found 2 of the festive minkies. I'm so excited about this. I do actually really enjoy using minkies. I really find they work great on my hob and on my taps, so I do love a good minky in this house. I also want to do a kind of like festive clean with me throughout December, just to get us all ready for Christmas, and do like a bit of a spring clean before Christmas. Festive clean maybe, because it's not spring. I purchased a couple of these festive wintry snowflake minkies. I just absolutely love these. These are £1.19 in B&M at the moment. They were on like a kind of a special stall thing, so they weren't in the normal cleaning aisle section. So if you do want to find them, I would look at the end of the cleaning aisle. It is not even normal how excited I am about the next items. Like, so excited, so over the moon. As you may or may not know, I like to be a little bit ethical on this planet, do my bit for the planet, and one of the things I like doing is not buying wipes. But Dettol, coming through 2019, has brought out multi-surface 100% biodegradable wipes. I am over the moon. I did used to like a good wipe in the kitchen. I just like them. They're really convenient, but I kind of stopped using them a couple of years ago when I realized, like, wait, I can't be doing this. Like, wipes are just not good for the planet. Dettol, my main man, has brought out 100% biodegradable plant-based wipes. Sorry, are you okay? Are you okay? I can't even explain to you how happy this makes me. I did buy 2 large packets. They were like £1.25 each. Not a bad price. There's 90 large wipes in here, and yeah, they kill, they're just the same as normal wipes. They kill 99.9% of bacteria. I really feel like if you're going to buy wipes anymore, you have to do your bit. You have to buy biodegradable ones. You can get them, why not buy them? That's what I say. Like, okay, the next item I got is pretty big, like pretty big. Lawrence hasn't seen it yet, so I'm kind of half excited, half dreading his reaction when he finds out I've been buying more Christmas decorations. So I found in the light section in B&M a huge light up Christmas tree that you can hang outside your home. Now, I'm in a new home this year, guys. I'm really excited by it, and it's such a gorgeous home. I absolutely am in love with where we now live. I just want to go a bit crazy for this Christmas. I've never had a Christmas here, so it's just exciting. So I purchased this. It was £20. It is really big. I can say that it's really big. A plug one, so you don't need batteries for this. I really wanted to hang this up outside my house and just put like some festivities outside the house. I feel like this will look so good. I live in a barn conversion, and the barn is like dark, so with this outside the barn conversion, it's gonna look so cozy and Christmassy and cottagey. So this was £20. It was between this and a large star they had. The star was £15, but I went for this one instead because I like a bit of colour. I think Christmas is all about colour in my eyes. I just like all different colours, so I went for this. I absolutely flipping love it. I think it's really cute. I will definitely post a picture of what it looks like on Instagram when it's up. We're gonna put it up this week. I know it's still November, I just love Christmas and I want to take advantage of every second I can when it's Christmas. I also purchased a huge, because this was on offer for £2, a huge Flash all-purpose floor Dettol like antibacterial wash. What do you call this thing? I now have a mop, a spray mop in my house, and it's one of my favorite things to use, and I wanted something festive to go inside it but also to actually clean the floors. This is the Flash stuff and it's limited edition because it's apple spice. Anything apple spice scented is absolutely a must this year, and I'm so happy this is apple spice. It's going to be nice and festive on my floors. Again, I'll probably use this in my like festive clean with me video. Okay, as it's the season, 'tis the season of batteries in my opinion. I feel like I need so many batteries because I have so many things that light up in my house at this time of year. So I've had to stock up on batteries from B&M. Normally batteries are so expensive, but B&M currently have an offer. Are £1.99 and you technically only pay for 4 of these in a pack. So I bought AAAs and AA's. I also picked up an advent calendar, a chocolate one. I haven't got a chocolate one yet, so I picked one up for me and Lawrence to share. I didn't think there was any point in getting us one each because he just won't get round to eating it. It'll be very rare that he will remember to open this and eat it. I will be the one reminding him to do it. So I thought if we're sharing one, we can take it in turns. I can remind him, he can remind me. This is the Cadbury Dairy Milk one, and it's kind of like the fat one. So it's got normal Cadbury chocolate, but with like this moussey filling. And I flipping love those. If you've tried them, you know what I'm talking about. And I just really like this one because it's got loads of like facts and figures that you find out when you open the doors of the advent calendars. I will be vlogging a lot throughout December. I might add a lot of my vlogs onto my vlogging channel that I don't tell anyone about because I never upload there. But I'm going to start uploading vlogs there, especially next year. If you do want to follow that vlogging channel, I will leave it in the comments down below for you. I also picked up, oh my gosh, so excited about these, some Walker's Christmas flavour crisps. So we have Brussels sprouts, pigs in blankets and turkey and stuffing. Turkey and stuffing are definitely going to taste just like the chicken ones. Brussels sprouts, who knows what they taste like, 'cause I've never tried them, but I really can't wait to try them. Pigs in blanket will be like smoky bacon, so Lawrence will eat those. But this bag was £2 for these. I also picked up 2 bags of Terry's chocolate orange packets of chocolate, because is it really Christmas if you're not eating Terry's chocolate orange every single night? Picked up a plain bag, so like just minis, and I also picked up the bag of orange mini exploding candies because exploding candy chocolate is the best kind of chocolate in my opinion. Really exciting, and me and Lawrence eat so much of this throughout December. And also finally I found the Cadbury's gingerbread chocolate. Oh my gosh, I am excited to try this. Like, I'm so excited. Anything gingerbread. I've been living off of Costa gingerbread hot chocolates. It's actually getting kind of scary. I need to do some exercise. I'm really excited to try the Cadbury gingerbread chocolate. I might even try and bake with these this weekend, and then if it goes successfully, I will upload a video of me baking using this, just because it's so festive. You guys know I love a bargain all year round, but especially at Christmas, and I just feel like this is just too exciting. I literally get too excited running around these shops. I hope you guys enjoyed and you are loving my Christmas content so far. I've got so many more Christmas videos coming out and not enough time basically, so I might be uploading more than 3 times every single week, but otherwise I'll just see you again very, very soon, because there's going to be a new video very, very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for your positivity, your fun, your love on this channel. You've changed my life for the better. See you again very, very soon. Mwah. Bye!
The stars up above, they are shining with love. Listening to this song playing on, listening to